Hi, I'm Bean. Today, I'm doing a Ruve unboxing and review. Ruve is actually a clothing website. They buy things from wholesalers. It's a curated little retailer. I actually found them on YouTube. Oh my. I actually found them on Instagram through a series of ads. They knew what I liked. They knew that I would like them. So I finally tried ordering a few things that caught my attention. Honestly, almost everything on their website I love. This is not sponsored, by the way. I wish. I'm never sponsored. You can just assume that I'm not sponsored. My package came in today from them. It took over 10 days. I think 10 days was the maximum that it was supposed to take. Maybe it was like 10 to 13, but it took quite a while. I believe you can pay for priority shipping, but I wasn't trying to do that. So, I'm gonna open this up. I'm so excited. Actually, I'm just kind of concerned with the size of this because I ordered like 3 skirts, 2 shirts, and a ring, and I just don't know how that's in here. Thank you for opening it. I lied, I only got 1 shirt. There are a few shirts that I was in between and I narrowed it down to 1, which hurt, but I had to do it because I'm on a budget. Oh, so the ring is there. He's right on top. This is what I open it up to. There's no like poly bags or anything inside. Oh, wait, how do you even? It's so weird how it's packaged like this. They wrapped the little individual ring. It's like something you would get out of like those candy machines. Okay, here. You can do it. Oh, it's so cute. It feels like a little watch. I expected it was gonna be on like strings or something so that you could pull it. It said it's 1 size, but it's my thumb. It's big. Yeah, I think it's too big for my thumb too. Damn it. This buddy was 19 euros. Should I return it? I just, oh no. I'm mad. I probably will try to return it. Well, but no, because I think I have to pay for shipping, and that's to Europe. Next, leather skirt. It's like a moto jacket inspired moment. It feels very cheap. There's that. I expected as much. What I just really appreciate about it is the design. It's that weird middle ground where like the designs are interesting and unique, but the quality, like the fabric and everything is gonna be pretty cheap. So that's why it's like in that weird middle range price-wise. But this is called the Moto Skirt. What I like is that you can tighten it with a belt and it's actually quite high-waisted. That's why it looks so like long. I don't know, I really like it. I'm really excited to try it on. She was 72 euros. Just a heads up, I did find, you know, another retailer that bought similar wholesalers to this place called Muse, but their products are a little bit more expensive. Obviously, with any like wholesale item, you can always try to look around to see if anybody's selling it for cheaper. I don't mean to like go off on a tangent here, but just a heads up, if you guys are a fan of I Am Gia, they buy all of their products from other people. I mean, I think now they actually make their own products, but in the beginning, they bought products and then they just sort of put their own tag on it, which is completely legal, by the way. But I found one of their pants at another retailer for literally like $30. So always look around. Chris helped me do that. Next we have this Spizia skirt. It's literally just like a block. Oh my goodness. But what you do is you take these little strings and sort of scrunch it up so that, you know, eventually the sides look like that. I think this is kind of hard. So then it starts to become like this. That's the point of the skirt, is to look like, like this. There we go. And she was 56 euros. Not bad. Again, a little cheap in the material, but I'm very excited to try it on. Now we have the Azal skirt. Look at how cute that is. Obviously like a bomber jacket inspired skirt. And she was 65 euros. Finally, we have our Satin Shirt, which is just this collared satiny crop top with long sleeves. I actually like the way that this feels. It feels really like satiny smooth. It doesn't like look, like none of these look that cheap to me. It's just like you have to kind of feel it. But like when I just hold it up right now, like it doesn't look like cheap clothes in my opinion. So I think they're gonna look really great on. She was 46 euros by the way. And she looks really great. I'm super excited for her because again, you can tie the waist so that it can like really cinch in. I'm gonna try all of these on. I'm gonna try making outfits for them. I'll be back to tell you guys my verdict. So this is outfit number 1 with our little bomber skirt. I actually really loved this. I did anticipate the fact that if you wear a crop top, it does show your belly button. Kind of wish it was like a bit higher up and a bit tighter on my waist. The bottom part is about as wide as the top, so I'm having problems with it being tight on my thighs and like not that tight up here. The pockets are big and nice and I love that about it, but the zippers are a little cheap. They get stuck every now and again. Other than that, I really love the design of this, the fit of it as well. I paired it with something really casual and simple, because like a plain black crop top, chunky shoes, If I had black chunky shoes, that would be much preferred. White is the move today because that's all I got. If you get cold, I think having a bomber is the perfect way to like make this outfit a little bit warmer. This is actually my boyfriend's Rick Owens bomber, but it works for me because it's a cropped bomber. So when I put it on, it isn't like too long or oversized, you know, it's quite slim. I think if you have a cropped bomber, that would be absolutely perfect. Something, you know, maybe even like up here would be really cute. Something that would just like complement and match this skirt really well, I think is a cute idea. If you're insecure about the belly button moment, what I would propose is actually tying a jacket around your waist. Overall, I am pretty happy with this skirt though. I think it's super easy to make outfits with because you just need like basic crop tops and basic shoes. So yeah. So this is outfit number 2 with our little moto jacket skirt. I absolutely love this skirt. The little zipper accent is here. And when you unzip this, this obviously unfolds all the way. And then there's a button on the inside in which the entire skirt just comes apart. So it's really easy to put on if you just wrap it around yourself and go like pat. Although this does cinch in a lot, pretty much like as much as you need it to because of the little belt here, I do think that it's a skirt that definitely looks better with bigger, chunkier things sort of tucked into it. So maybe like a big t-shirt or like I have on right now, a sweater, since we are rolling into fall. Super duper cute. This belt does have eyelets literally all the way around, so I think it is pretty like size inclusive. You can pretty much cinch it in as much as you want. There is a part at the bottom that unzips as well. So if you want to have like a little leg slit moment going on, you could. I also paired the rest of the outfit with some little bit of statement jewelry, little barbed wire earrings and a barbed wire necklace just to make it more like funky, since obviously this sweater could go either way. The skirt that we have bought here is like very funky and fun. So I have that and then just some patent leather boots. But yeah, I'm actually really happy with this skirt and I'm like so happy that I decided to get it. So one thing that I do actually really like about this brand are their little tags. It's like this rubbery material that's so cute. It's like clear and I just think it's really interesting. I've never seen like a tag done like this before, so I like that. Okay, so this is my third outfit. It's the outfit for the shirt. I absolutely love this shirt. I think it's great because it's something that if you wore it with a maxi skirt or something, it could be like really modest and maybe like, you know, work casual, but then you can also make it hella extra and like edgy like I have today. It's actually a really nice material. Obviously it's a satin, mimics a little bit of like a silk satin, but I'm sure it's like some polyester, you know, whatever, but it actually feels really great. I think the shirt looks great. I'm obsessed with the fit. It does have the little tie in the front, which I've pulled to the back and tied to make it nice and tight on my waist. And then I've worn, you know, some high-waisted jeans. I think it goes great with this if you're trying to make it like very extra and vampy, which I am. I also have on this little bolo necklace moment that I tied in a weird way. Leg garter, a belt with a ring, all the silver that you possibly can, and then some big ol' combat boots. I personally love to wear the sleeves just sort of like loosely, just flipped up like this. I actually like that there's not more buttons here, that you have like this V-neck moment. I do wish maybe there was another button down here. This is literally the only button. So if there's another button down here, maybe if you wanted to tie it in the front, you could, but because there's no button, this weird like gap happens here, and so you pretty much have to tie it in the back, which I prefer anyway, but that's just how it has to be done. You don't have a choice. Okay, so this is my final outfit. It's our little ring outfit as well as our final skirt. This literally does not, I can pretty much only take photos with this because it just doesn't work for me. But the skirt I actually really like. It obviously has these little scrunchy details in the front, back, and actually on the sides. Whenever you pull it, it doesn't have like a seam up the side that scrunches up. Instead, it actually makes this bottom part tighter. This does definitely add some shape to it, which I like. However, I can't wear super tight shirts or anything under this because you'll be able to tell that, you know, it's kind of loosey-goosey right there. I paired it with this shirt that I just got from Zara. Chris actually got it for me. It just has this cutout. I think it's cute because of the sleeves. And then of course, you know, I just have my pendant that I always wear and some like minimal earrings. And then shoes-wise, I'm wearing these Calvin Klein heels that my mom got for me. Overall, I think that this skirt is like really versatile. I can actually imagine myself wearing it with like t-shirts tucked in, something along the lines. I just wanted to be a little bit more extra for the look video. That's all. Thank you guys so much for watching my giant Ruve unboxing slash lookbook slash review. I hope you really enjoyed it. I hope this kind of helps you make more informed purchasing decisions if you decide to shop with them. I probably would again, honestly. I think that their things are pretty well designed and actually suit my aesthetic like really well. So that's been that. Make sure you guys let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later.